Wherever you are on your energy journey, we meet you there, applying our expertise and moving quickly to drive reliable and impactful results.
That's why we have developed
Our engineered power solutions
an initiative to offer low-emission alternatives
for your operations. We are committed to investing in cleaner technology that improves efficiency and lowers your costs. This includes our new line of Tier 4 final diesel generators. Our Tier 4 final generators use advanced multi-phase exhaust treatment,
emit 98% fewer particulates and 96% less nitrous oxide than older models, making them fully compliant with the EPA's Tier 4 regulations.
Across North America, our full fleet scales to deliver multi-megawatt solutions. We provide reliable, low-emission power quickly to fit your exact needs. For industries needing strict air quality permits, our mobile temporary power solutions help. You can use more equipment on site while improving your environmental performance. Aggreko partners with you to achieve your energy goals.